Okay, what I'm going to set up right now, I'm going to show you exactly what's going on here. I only have one screen of mine recording, so I'm just going to go into the purpose for video recording. Basically this. When I'm just going to raise this because I can't read very well, and you may not be able to see it. When a prospect doesn't answer, you can leave a voicemail information for them and let them know that you're going to email them with all your information in it. It'll go something like, when they don't answer: "Hi, this is Dan Pappy. I'm the guy that's going to take care of your quotes today. Sorry I couldn't reach you on the phone, but I am going to email you a message. It's going to have a special message in there for you, along with all my contact information. This quote can be done better with us on the phone, but I'm going to leave you a link in there so that you can take care of some of this by yourself to get you started." And of course, my mind went blank right there for some reason, but you get the idea. You can let them know you sent them an email, your contact information is in there, and you just go from there. I'm going to show you exactly what I do. The second one is when a current client wants to know how to get in their portal or to find doctors or change their payment method or anything like that, or a personal message letting people know why they should work with you. Don't go over the top, just be as honest as possible. These things work well. I've done this for years with my my ad agency, and the amount of response you get is exponential compared to just leaving an email. Most of the time you won't get an answer unless you follow up 8 times periodically through a system with different emails along with it. It takes some time to set stuff like that up, and I can do that too. But this one's just to streamline things for you, so that you don't get caught up on the last call or anything like that. You just move on to the next one and do exactly the same thing. So what it's going to look like, a couple ways to do this is, now I had it's called Screencast Omatic. It is now not Screencast-O-Matic. It is ScreenPal. Same. It's pretty much the same software. I would show you exactly what it looks like, but when I was setting this up to show you this little demo, it updated my software, so it's a little bit different, but it pretty much is the same when it comes to recording and editing. So what I'm going to do is just show you it first. Here it is. While I'm using the thing at the moment, I will. This is a recording that I'm doing for you prior to this, so I can actually show you how to get into this and do a little bit of recording and editing through a Zoom or something. So what I'm going to do is show you the next thing. When I get on the call and I don't have anybody answer, I use a product called Vidyard. I'm going to bring this over here. Vidyard will work wonders. Let's just go to sign in. What you do is just go to vidyard.com and sign up for free. Now when you sign up for free, you get, I'll do this, pricing. You sign up for free over here, but if you want to know the pricing, you get you don't have to pay for it right away. You get 25 videos. You can edit the video. You can share it by email, social media, and YouTube. But we're just going to focus on email. So once in the email, I'll just bring up my this email right here. You compose an email, and once you upload this, or once you get a free membership for Vidyard, you get the app that goes to Chrome connection. And that Chrome connection, obviously you go here, and if you have any questions about that, I can help you with that. But once you do that, it'll be down here in this thing. So I'm gonna write an email, create a template. Sorry, I missed your call. Put Bob. Sorry, I missed your call, Bob. Hi, Bob. Sorry I wasn't able to get you on the phone. I'll try back another time. In the meantime, I made a video message for you. Don't go into detail what it's about. Just leave it in the video message. And then you click down here, and anything that you've already created is going to be in here. Or you can actually create your own right here. New video message. Camera recording. I suggest, well, right now I can't do it because I have another video thing running. And how do I cancel it? Go back, hit cancel. But once you do it in Vidyard, once you have your setup, you log in, and you have all your video. You can set up a video by going new video, click here, new video. Once you have it set up, and this would be a lot easier in doing it in a Zoom, so I could show you, but I'm not going to be able to show you step by step because I am using my camera. So, but once they're in here, they're also going to be, if you use the attachment, they're also going to be here. You click here and it connects directly to it. And then of course you write your email. You can save this as a template, which I did. And just a simple thing, like I said here, click where you want the video to lay. Click here, and whatever you named it, because you can name them too. Build your own plan video. You click share, and bam, it sits here. Now you can resize this as big as small as you want. I usually reduce it a little bit, not to go out of their. I just want to get their attention with at least my face in there. And once they click on it, it goes like this. It goes right to here. It shows build your own plan, help video. They have to click this here to actually hear it. Broker, we have many different plans that we put together for you. In this email I'm sending you, we'll have 2 links. One, you can self-service. You can check out these by yourself and see everything that's entailed in each one of the plans. You can build your own plan. You can try to so that it can fit your budget. Or you can fill out the form and I will do it for you. We'll do all the shopping for you. No pressure, no obligation. This is well, we'll do that. So now that you know how to do that, just do this for everything that comes in. And if you want to do an instructional video, I'll just trash that. If you want to do an instructional video, I recommend going by any of the questions you have. If somebody wants you to do a walkthrough to change or find something, do the walkthrough on the video, and once you're done, go back to this. It says it's recording at the time. Down here, I don't know if you can see my ticker, but once it's done, you hit the pause, you click done, and then you go right to edit. You can edit out any mistakes that you made, or if you want to make it shorter. That being said, that's all I have here, and I can show you more once this video is over. on the Zoom on Wednesday. Well, today.